Alright guys, today we got a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Customer dropped it off. He's complaining of a thumping noise somewhere in the suspension probably. We're going to take it on a test drive, see if we can hear it, and come back and look at the suspension. Alright, we're out for a drive in this Jeep. Very noticeable popping noise coming from the passenger front wheel area. Let's get pulled back up in here and have a look. Alright, so we had a look at the front end. Everything looking pretty tight here. The only thing I really see going on, this passenger front sway bar link, if you can see all the discoloration right through here, it is super loose. Need to tighten it up if we can. We'll take it for another test drive after we get it tight and see if that clears up the noises. Alright, went ahead and got the sway bar link tightened up here. So let's go take it for another drive and see how it sounds. Alright guys, sorry about the shaky camera there. Taking this on a drive after tightening up that sway bar link. Sounds 100% better. I haven't heard any noise out of it. We're going to go through this turn right up here, and there's a pretty bumpy road. And we'll try to hit quite a few of those bumps and see if we hear anything or not. Turn around here at the church and the fishing pay lake. Sounded very good through the bumps and the turnaround back there. Well, let's head back to the garage and finish off this video.